Hi guys! So this will be my very last painting for the White and Bright series. It's the 10th one because if you've seen my previous video, I let one painting fall and it's cut. So yeah, let's do the last one and we're gonna do only greens and some gold. So I have phthalo green, yeah, it's sort of fluo permanent green and phthalo blue, but it sort of looks like turquoise and gold. So let's do this one. I'm starting with the phthalo green. The fluo permanent green, phthalo blue, and then the gold. Oh, it's a lot of gold, but that's okay. Here's some white drops. White around this. Ah, it's pretty. Okay, I need to turn this. Oh, this phthalo green, it's pretty. I love how that's coming out. Let me see. Yes, I really like this one. I really love that this permanent green is popping under from there, because it's a transparent color, but it's not too much, just a little for the contrast in this green. A little bit of gold, some cells. This one, this is very pretty. Alex, maybe you can shoot this, because this here it's so soft and then there's a harsh line under there. Yeah guys, this turned out really good. This is the last one of the White and Bright series. We got a big 9-piece now here, so I hope we can shoot it next week when it's all dry and varnished and I touched all the sides, because I'm gonna make them very clean and white, because with some they're not so clean yet. Yeah, I can't wait till they're hanging all here. And I'm gonna use green a lot more, I think, because this is the second time I use this phthalo green, but I'm in love with this color, how it responds to the other ones. I'm gonna make also prints out of all these White and Bright series paintings, so you can check them out. And of course, thank you for watching. So see you next time.